Captain's log. It's Friday night. I've got 47 euros and 15 Swiss francs. I've got somewhere to sleep. Where I've been for 1 week. Special thanks to Philip. And well, Geneva is just around the corner. For those of you who are wondering why I'm still hanging around and I haven't left Gabon yet and gone to Geneva, well, strategy, of course. I mean, I've met some good people here, I've got somewhere to stay, and I've got time to arrange to go to Geneva properly this time, because if I went and just played in the street like everybody's expecting, probably all sorts of problems would start. So this time I'm going in the back door. A nice little restaurant, a female singer, and I'm going to be maybe accompanying her, and we're going to do it that way, and then after that we'll see what happens. But one thing's for sure, I'm going to stand in front of that fountain and take that shot, or film myself standing in front of the fountain. End of log. With regard to Susie, aka Flame, well, I know you're probably watching this, and if I don't contact you by the time you do watch this, my job is important, and as a starship captain, there are certain protocols which prevent me from letting my emotional life interfere with my work. This is a mission, and a lot of people are counting on me, so I'll see you again, because I dreamed that. The same way I've dreamed a lot of things, so I must carry on, the show must go on. So I wish you the best, and I wish Kato.
It's another new day, and I'm on the road again. I'll be right there, 'cause I know you need a friend. I'm gonna buy a ticket to catch the early train.